Hey guys, it's Thomas here. Welcome back to the channel and thank you very much for checking out this video. So in this video I want to talk about managing AI prompts, and that's why I've created my Notion template called AI PromptVault. But first of all, let me explain briefly why I created this. And basically, as I'm sure as many of you, I've been using different AI models like ChatGPT from OpenAI or Claude from Anthropic and many others to help me with my work, from creating drafts of blog posts to organizing data and a lot more. And I've realized that some prompts will obviously work better than others, and there's quite a lot of time that you spend on trying to come up with the prompting, basically to get to the best result. And over time, I've developed this practice of simply storing away the prompts that work really well, because it's quite often a very particular combination that works. So some type of prompt works better with this model, etc., etc. So that practice is, very simple, but it saves me down the line quite a lot of time and effort. And really, to organize this practice is why I have created AI PromptVault. So let's get into the template to show you how it works. It's very simple. My templates tend to be usually very simple one-page templates that you can then take and improve and adjust to your workflow. So this is a simple one, but for me it's pretty useful, so I hope you find it useful as well. So let's check out the template. Okay, so first of all, to show you how the template is organized, as I said, it's super simple. So what you can see here is that you can add a new prompt, and then there is a simple prompt database, which is a table which stores all your prompts and the relevant data. So let's go ahead and add or create a new prompt. There are a few parameters here that I find to be useful. So first of all, it's category. So let's say this is for writing AI model, which I use the prompt for. So let's say this is GPT-4o in this case. Creator, it's myself. Date of last usage. So let's say that's today. Then prompt text here is a short excerpt from the prompt, so you are able to see what the prompt is about in the main database. So let's say this is to create a marketing blog post, and then a subjective quality rating. So you can just simply use this to quickly track how happy you are with the prompt performance. And then there's a template for filling out a lot more data about the prompt. So first of all, you have obviously the full prompt text and structure, where you can copy paste the prompt itself and also include any explainers if need be. Then AI model compatibility and tips. So this is these are again like internal notes to be able to sort of track any nuances when using the prompt for different models and any optimization tips. Then we have change logs. This is especially useful if you are working on this in a team or with more people, so we can track how the prompt changes, what changes have been made, etc. And then any additional resources like documents or any other notes. So this is a pretty simple structure, simple template, but I find that for me it's all I need really to keep track of the prompts that I use. So this is AI PromptVault. If you think that this template could be helpful for you, you can find links to the template and more data in the description of this video. So thank you very much for checking this out. I hope you have a great day, and I hope AI PromptVault is helpful resource for you. Thank you.